Imagine you're an early human with absolutely nothing to do for 5 minutes. No phone, no TV, no internet, just a rock and a lake. At some point, someone looked at that rock and thought, what if I throw it? Not for survival, not for hunting, just because. And that's one of the weirdest moments in human history. We'll never know who that person was, but archaeologists think curiosity may have been one of our greatest evolutionary advantages. Humans constantly experimented with the world around them. What happens if I hit this? Eat that? Throw this? Most experiments ended badly, but throwing a stone into water was surprisingly entertaining. It made a splash. It made a sound. Ripples spread across the surface. Fish scattered. Friends probably laughed. Then someone grabbed another rock. Congratulations. Humanity had just invented recreational physics. Thousands of years later, almost nothing has changed. People still throw rocks into lakes for absolutely no reason. Kids do it. Adults do it. Even people wearing expensive suits suddenly become 5-year-olds the moment they see a perfect, flat stone. Then came the next genius. Instead of throwing the rock into the water, they tried throwing it across the water. 1 bounce, 2 bounces, 5 bounces. Suddenly it wasn't random anymore. It became a challenge. Today there are international stone skipping competitions, world records, and people who spend years mastering the perfect throw. All because one curious ancestor got bored near a river. So the next time you pick up a stone and toss it into the water, remember, you're repeating a completely pointless tradition that may be tens of thousands of years old. And somehow, it's still fun.